What's the meaning of bodybuilding? Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding.
Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding refers to the practice of developing and strengthening the muscles of the body through exercise, weightlifting, and a healthy diet. The desired result of bodybuilding is an increase in muscle mass, definition, and overall strength. This can lead to a leaner, more toned physique and improved athletic performance. In addition to physical benefits, bodybuilding can also improve mental health, as it requires discipline, focus, and determination to achieve the desired results. Ultimately, bodybuilding is a lifestyle that promotes health, wellness, and self-improvement.